Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how can you make a vision board in iPad. So you just need to guys first of all to choose an application for your vision board. So there are lots of applications like Canva, Procreate, Good Notes and Keynote. But I'll suggest you to install this application called Canva from the App Store. So install this application. It is highly recommending to use this application because it's free of cost. You just need to install this application and open the Canva application. Now guys, to create guys a vision board, you have to first of all select a blank documents or and set the size depending on where you will use the vision board, like iPad wallpaper or desktop background. So I'm gonna choose, let's go back and guys choose the image editor. So maybe let me go back and we can guys choose the customized size. You can tap on customize size words, or we can go to social media and or we can use any type of like if you want to make a vision board for social media, you can choose this size. And if you want for your facebook or Instagram post, you can choose it. So I'm going to choose right now as a instagram Instagram guys post. Now the second step is guys, you just need to collect all the pictures you are going to use uh, for your vision board. So I'm gonna choose some pictures from here, or you can download from guys the internet as well. So I'm gonna choose, like, I'm gonna use this Christmas, fine. And you can import different things here. You have a lots of resources guys on this app, so you can import it. And some are few are guys the paid ones, and most of the guys are free ones, so you can choose it. And you can enter your text here. To enter your text, you need to tap on this text section and enter your text here. And you can type anything, like, fine. So let's enter this text. You can customize this text as well. You can add different effect. Let's tap on three dot, go to effect, and we can choose different effect from here, like the outlines one. Neon is much better. You can choose the color of the neon as well. And now you can add more things to your vision board to make it more attractive. It's up to you guys. It's up to your design, because my creativity is very bad, so you can judge it by the tutorial guys. So yeah, I just wanted to give you the idea how can you make the vision board so on iPad. So that's the application, you can use it guys. And size completely uh, uh, depending on your requirement, keep on what device you are going to use this vision board. So picture, and you can just, after finishing your work, you just need to tap on share and tap on download. And you can tap on download from here, tap on it, and your image will be downloaded guys on your device. So this is how you can do it guys. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then.